were you as a student able to verbally explain what you got as an answer?
Yeah.
Yeah. So do you think you get a 1, a 2, or a 3?
A 3 again.
A 3. Okay. Now, my next question would be: did the student complete? Did you answer only the odd questions
Yes.
that were instructed to do so?
Yes.
Okay, I would agree. You do get a 3 because you exceeded expectations. How do you think you did overall in your matching activity to represent the ratios?
I think I did pretty good.
You think you did pretty good? Okay, I agree. Now, can you understand your handwriting
Yes, I can.
for the overall neatness? Okay. And if you were to show your partner, will they be able to tell what you wrote?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now, were you able to show a step-by-step process? So is there work shown to prove that you understood the process?
Yeah. I put the answer.
Okay. You put the answer, and then
Like,
I noticed that there's some underline right here that you used for the medium pizza and the large pizza.
because that's like the order they wanted in. And like for 1, 2, Jaguars to cheetahs, cheetahs to Jaguars. You just have to swap them around. Like, I know what to put it.
Okay. Yeah. So you answered the question. So yeah, I would agree that you did follow what the step-by-step process is. So do you think you get a 2 for meeting expectations, or do you think you get a 3 for exceeding expectations?
I think a 3.
A 3? Okay. I agree. Okay. So this is where, so now that we're clear on how to represent the ratios with this matching activity, I'm going to ask you to come up with 2 real-world ratios that you see. And once you're finished, you're going to go ahead and give yourself you're going to self-assess yourself with this rubric and give yourself a 1 if you didn't meet expectation, 2 meet expectations, or 3, okay? Okay, so go ahead and turn your page and write 2 real-world ratios, okay?
Okay.
So you can go ahead and bless you. Okay, all done. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with the first one. So the creativity. So from the examples that you provided, you gave yourself 3, which I agree because you did come up with 2 different real-world ratios that you've witnessed. So good job. So for following directions, it looks like you did provide real-world ratio examples. So that means that you were able to follow directions. So you gave yourself a 3, and I would agree with that. And then there's a handwriting. You gave yourself a 3, which means you exceeded expectations, and I would agree with that. You also get a 3. Now for showing your work with the step-by-step process, you gave yourself a 2, but I would give you a 2.5 for that. So you did really